What's going on, everybody? Bones here. I'm feeling kind of corny today, and you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. So, another side dish episode. Today, we're doing up corn. 3 different ways, all with the same seasoning though. First up is going to be some garlic and herb butter. Then is going to be some olive oil. And finally, it's Sebastian Sauce's Yellow Belly. It's their mildest hot sauce that you can get. I didn't want to go crazy and go with the habanero pepper because we know I'd probably pick that one over the 3. I wanted to be fair amongst them and go with the mildest one that they've got. So, we're keeping it fair. The seasoning blend that we're going to do today is VSB's house seasoning. It's their all-purpose blend. It's salt, pepper, garlic, other herbs and spices. And we're going to go ahead and put on some grated Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we're going to go ahead and put that butter on. There we go. Next, we're going to go ahead and put that oil on. Now we're going to go ahead and put that hot sauce on. There we go. Now time to put that VSB house blend seasoning on there. There we go. Finally, roll that around. That Parmesan cheese. We're going to go ahead now and put these on the smoker at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Pull them off, do the taste test. Oh yeah, we looking real good. Now it's time for that taste test. All right, first up, the one with the butter. Got a nice butter, creamy texture to it. Nice garlic and herb flavor. Very nice. Just a creamy texture. Cheers, everybody. Next up, that was Valentine. Y'all haven't met him yet. I'll put a picture of him up here for you now. He's a special little boy. Next up, one with olive oil. Don't really taste the olive oil all that much, but just a nice smooth consistency to it. Not that extra hint of the garlic and herb like the one with the butter did. Of course, I was using a garlic and herb butter one, so that kind of played an extra flavor into that. But I was putting that up there against it. But the one with the olive oil, kind of lagging behind. Cheers, everybody. Now the one with the hot sauce. Got a burst of heat. Nice creamy texture to it. Again, the heat is not overpowering, but that's what I wanted to do, was get the mildest one that he's got to just play off of the milder flavors from the other ones. But overall, nice texture to it, nice heat. I'm in between the one with the garlic and herb butter and the hot sauce. Let's try it again. Okay. I'd go with the hot sauce one, but the garlic and herb one is right behind it. Out of like a score of 10, I would say it's about a 9, and the hot sauce one is like a 9.8. Like, it's right close to it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.